Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm finally going back from straight to curly. It's been like 3 weeks now with it straight, so I'm in desperate need of a wash. But I'm also going to cover 3 of the most important steps that I follow every time I revert back to natural hair, especially after I've been using a lot of heat products, heat tools. I've been straightening my edges, using edge control like every day, hairspray, silicones, just everything I'm not supposed to be doing if I want to grow my hair back out. So let's get right into it. The first step of going back natural and avoiding any sort of heat damage is to always do a deep treatment. I'd recommend using your favorite deep conditioner, really anyone is fine, and then just adding some of your favorite oils on top of that. I'm using this double buttercream by As I Am. I've been using this since college. It's one of my favorites just because it's really thick and moisturizing. That's what I'm going to use as my hair mask and mix it with 3 of my favorite oils. One being the Jamaican black castor oil, organic black seed oil, and lastly, avocado oil. I don't ever measure anything, but I do use more of the cheaper oils, which would be avocado in this case. So I put a little bit extra of this one, also because it's lightweight, so it's not gonna be too heavy on my hair. Next up is the black seed oil, and I add about 2 tablespoons of this, and then top that off with the castor. I mix it up in this little $1 bottle I got at the beauty supply store, but first, before I apply it, I am gonna dampen my hair a little bit with this castor oil water. Oils always do better with a little H2O first. I use this every single day because it's basically water but better because it has the #1 hair growth oil in it. Genius invention, really. And make sure whenever you use a mask, you apply that thing like a relaxer, parting your hair one section at a time and just slapping it on your scalp. And then the other part of the deep treatment, following up with some good oils for a nutrient boost, I just put this all over from roots to ends and massage it in. All right, so the first step, always do a mask, add some oils. We've done that. Now the second step to avoiding heat damage, believe it or not, is to add more heat. What I mean is by using this heat cap warmed up in the microwave for a few minutes on top of a hair mask, the gentle heat opens up the hair cuticles, allowing the oils and the moisture to penetrate deeper and just make the whole mask more effective because it can actually seep into the hair. I'll link where I got mine in the description, but if you don't have one of these, you can also use just a regular grocery bag, which acts as an insulator for the natural heat coming off of your scalp. Both of them though, I do like to use a shower cap first because more insulation and just less mess. I personally like to leave this on for an hour. I'm just gonna do some laundry around the house, hang out with my kitty, and every time I do this, whenever I take the cap off, my hair is already back to curls, so this saves me a lot of time in the shower. My hair is detangled, it's moisturized, it's just really easy to deal with. All right, so we covered step 1 of avoiding heat damage, and that's adding moisture back, and 2, opening up the hair cuticle. Now is the 3rd and final step, which you probably guessed, and that's a good wash routine. Today I'm trying out these new wash bars. I've been using this brand for years. Double Butter was my first favorite. They have 4 total: the shampoo, co-wash, conditioner, and leave-in, and I also got these cute stackable trays to keep them organized in my shower. I'm using shampoo first. I normally use co-wash if my hair is not that dirty and I just need a gentle clean, but this hair is that dirty, so I need shampoo. It's a lot easier to apply. There's no bottle opening with slippery shower fingers. I just lather it in my hands like body soap, or my favorite method, just use the bar as a scalp massager. Now when it comes to step 3, a good wash routine, that's both products and application. You want to remember to focus the lathering on only your scalp. Once you rinse your hair out, it'll still clean the bottom half, but if you soap up your ends too much, you'll dry them out and cause split ends. I personally don't use conditioner. It's either a hair mask or I skip straight to styling, so I got the leave-in conditioner bar instead. I put a lot of oils and butters on my hair already, so it already has that deep moisture foundation, and adding more would just make it greasy again. Okay, so I just rinsed all that shampoo out of my hair, and normally I would use a microfiber towel to dry my hair, but I don't know where mine is. It might be in the wash or something. So whenever that happens, I just use a t-shirt because both of them are still a lot more gentle than using a regular towel to dry your hair. So I'm just gonna let this dry for a little bit up in this t-shirt and then go in with just some leave-in conditioner. Again, I skipped conditioner because I don't really use conditioner. I just usually just shampoo with something really moisturizing and then go straight to styling. Ooh, this one smells really good. It smells a lot similar to the shampoo, and it kind of just smells like hemp oil, if you've ever smelled that. It's kind of like a body lotion. It's very gentle. I like it. Now I use the bar a lot like I do the shampoo, but I focus it a little bit more on my ends and then brush it through to distribute the product evenly. Usually I would do a curl cream or gel for extra definition, but I really just want to give my hair a break from products and let it breathe. So instead I styled with only leave-in conditioner and a dime size amount of this jojoba oil on my ends. My styling routine is pretty simple. I just use a Demon brush. I like to describe it like I'm curling a ribbon with my finger held up against the comb. And I do a lot of scrunching until I have these little spirals all over, and then I finish up with a diffuser on medium heat. It has been a few weeks, so I like to trim any dead frizzy ends and just shape it up a little bit because I love curly bangs and layers. Okay, this is my hair completely dry on day 1. I have a ton of shrinkage, so I'll show it later this week too when it gets a little bit bigger. But my hair looks really, really healthy. I don't see any sign of heat damage like straight ends or crazy frizz, and all I used was this leave-in bar with a little bit of oil, so I'm really impressed with the formula of the bars. I'm surprised how clean my hair got too because the shampoo was very moisturizing and detangling. And then this is my hair a few days later. It is a little bit bigger and frizzier than the first day, obviously, but that's how I like it. And that's probably because I didn't really use any products meant for hold or definition. I was literally just focused on moisture this week. I'm so impressed with this leave-in conditioner bar though. It seems to work a lot like curl cream, except my hair is actually soaking it up every day, which is usually a big sign of natural ingredients. If you want to give any of these products in this video a try, you can use my code CURLYSTRANDS or just click the link below for 10% off. These wash bars get rid of single-use packaging, and we love environmentally conscious brands, and the formula was great like all of their other products that I've been using for years. So next time you use heat or you over manipulate your hair like I have been doing this entire month, make sure you follow the 3 most important steps for reverting back to natural curls or just natural hair in general. And that is 1, to always do a deep treatment, 2, add more heat, and then 3, have a good wash routine that's right for your hair type. As always, thanks for watching. I hope this video was informative, and if there's any other topics or questions you guys want me to cover in the future, just let me know in the comments. Thank you, bye. Hey kitty. Here you go, girl. Sorry.